guys, nag-chocolate kami. So, nagawa ko ng soup kanina. Pero ako nagawa parang salted chocolate, ganun. So, may kapatid ko, ubos na. So, nasa sulok na naman kami. Ito yung look, chocolate. Naman sa kapatid ko. Look at that ubos chocolate. So, guys, kakain tayo na itong ASMR.
Kailan bang gagawin yung bangko?
Guys,
Not my monkey, not my circus. I have decided not to expose the other world to my ex-husband. Knowing these two assholes being capable of
melted
has no use
chocolate.
for us. You can all guess what happened next. My phone was blowing up with calls from
Ano kung
Finally, we started including each other on social
ito
media.
na brown.